here from Simple Life Pattern Company. Today I'm going to teach you how to cut multiple layers of fabric using your Cricut Maker. You have those projects that take 14, 15 mats of all the same thing nearly? Well, this is going to be a game changer, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I went ahead and protected the surface that I'm going to be spraying my fabrics with. If you've ever used spray adhesive, it's a mess and super hard to clean up, so let's just protect the area now and save ourselves all the cleanup. I'm using Scotch Super 77. I use this for basting my quilts. It works really good. It's very sticky. So I'm going to share with you a few tips on how to apply it because you don't need a lot. A little goes a very long way with this stuff. I know there's other brands out there for fabric adhesive. 505 I believe is one that everyone uses. I live in the middle of nowhere, so I didn't have time to order any of that. I always have this on hand, so this is what we're going to use. So I'm going to stay about 12 inches away from the fabric, and I'm just going to lightly spray this. We just need enough tack to hold it together while it's cutting the multiple layers. So that's about all you need. And you can reposition your fabrics once you put them on there. It is a little bit of a pain because it does, it is pretty sticky. So I'm just going to try get it the best I can right off the bat. Okay. And then smooth it out. My mic cut out on me last time, so I already peeled this off. It all came off beautifully, and now you can just pull these up and peel them apart. And as you peel them apart, you'll notice that there's not that much stick left on it. So these are ready to go ahead and be quilted. I won't be able to use this to stick to any more fabric, and the little bit more that it gets handled, the less stick that there will be. Cricut recommends using the tweezers, probably not this, to peel them off your fabric grip mat. So you can do that if you have the tweezer set. Yeah, and then you just go ahead and start peeling them apart. There we go. So now you were able to cut out 3 mats worth of blocks in one cut. So that's pretty amazing. Thank you for watching.